So I'm going to show you how to replace a PCV valve on a 98 Blazer. You see the valve is right here. Removing it simple, you don't need any tools. Just unplug it like that. Honestly, getting it up past this wiring one-handed is the biggest challenge here. So it's pretty nasty. I'm going to pull this old one out. Well, try to pull it out on one-handed. Okay, I got to do this two-handed. So old one out, and I mean, look at the old one versus the new one here, and yeah, it's I think it needed a replacement. And it seems to still like rattle around, but not as much as the new one does. Don't know if you can hear that. In any case, inspecting these is about as difficult as changing them, which say not at all. And it's only like a $2. I think I paid like $2.57. So might as well just replace the damn thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it right back into the hole that came out of. Yeah, don't need tools for this. Give me just a moment. Okay, and there you see my shiny new PCV valve has been installed. And yes, I'm aware how funny it says it is to say PCV valve. It's like saying valve, but anyway, that's the part. So that's how you replace a PCV valve on a 1998 Chevrolet Blazer. I think I need to retighten this thing, don't I? There we go, good enough. Okay, hope that helps someone. You have a good day.